Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to create our own doodle quest by binding our papers together to make a unique sketchbook. The washi tape method requires you to have a washi tape, but if you don't have a washi tape, any regular tape or scotch tape is fine. For this method, you do not need to fold your papers. All you need is to tape every single piece of paper with a washi tape like this at the side. To continue building your pages, lay your papers on top of each other and paste your washi tape over it, like this. And you're going to continue layering your papers over and over with every single piece of paper taped by your washi tape at the side. So do this over and over and over until you are done with all of your papers. Once you're done, fold the extra tape to the back of your book, like this. You are going to trim off the extra beads with your scissors. And there you have it, your very own DIY sketchbook.